शेतां रोवपाक परवानगी दिल्या खरी, पूण वेटलँडात शेतां जायनात हे मतींत घेवचे रेल्वे प्राधिकरणान रिस्टोर केल्लो नालो मेकळो करून दिवचो, शेतांनी सोडटात ती सिवरेज बंद करची, शेतां रिस्टोर करून दिवची मायमोळकारांनी सरकारा कडेन मागला. लोकांच्यो जमनी हातासचे नात, आमदार दाजी साळकारान सांगला. GSWA म्हळ्यार गोवा स्टेट वेटलँड ऑथॉरिटीन मायमोळे तळे वाठार वेटलँड जाहीर करपा संदर्भात पब्लीक हियरिंग दवरिल्ली. ते सुनावणेक कांय गजालींचेर विचार जावंक नाशिल्ल्याचे नगरसेवकांसयत थळाव्यांनी सांगले. पारंपारीक जमनी वचपाचो भंय जायत्या जाणांनी उक्तायलो. रेल्वे बरोबर नेवीनय थळाव्यांक बरेच त्रास केल्यात हेवूय तांणी नदरेक हाडून दिले. आयकात.
आमकां इतल्यान सांगपा जाय की एग्रीकल्चर परमिटेड म्हणटा तो वेटलँडान एग्रीकल्चर परमीट जायना. वेटलँड इज अ वेटलँड, एग्रीकल्चर इज एग्रीकल्चर. एग्रीकल्चरान वेटलँडान एग्रीकल्चर रोवपा जायना, शेत रोवपा जायना, कितें पीक काडपा जायना. उदकान कशें पीक काडटा तूं. आनी एकूच म्हजी मागणी आहा आमच्या वेटलँड ऑथॉरिटी कडेन, डॉक्टर प्रतिभा कडेन, की आमकां रेल्वेचे तो नाला ब्लॉक केला रिस्टोर, तो आमकां ते ओपन करून दिवचो, उदक वयचें आनी तशें स्वेज ती बंद करची आनी आमकां आमचें शेत पोतें रिस्टोर करून दिवचें. रिस्टोर मागीर पोतें चालू करून आमी आमकां जाय खुशेन आमी शेत रोयतले.
As far as the farmlands are concerned, the farmers part, if you look at the ODP, one part is there which is the Maimole part this side, where from the Kabristan right up to Datkode. In the ODP it is shown as a water body. There is a particular part over here which is shown as a farm, meaning from Tanya Hotel right up to the Kabristan. There also people have come, they put in their objection saying that that is a paddy field. How can you show a paddy field as a wetland? Of course they have given their justification saying that NIO had done their survey. But there are people who are in the zone of influence, who are in the buffer. They are also having a problem. They म्हणटाय बाबा हे field तुम्ही जर तर दाखोवपाक शकता paddy field जाल्यार आमी हितून फसले. So there are lots of issues. I hope things get sorted out. Everybody's put their suggestions, everybody's put their observations. Earlier people had put their suggestions. Today is the public grievances. They've taken the people's whatever suggestions people have. It's going to come up again tomorrow. But per se, most of the people, nobody is against the wetland. Even I am not against the wetland. But only thing is people should not suffer, farmers should not suffer, landowners should not suffer.
There should be more clarity.
Clarity is required. आता तुम्ही म्हणलं जे बफर आहे ते 50/5 करतले अशें म्हणलं. That happens, very good. As far as the farmers are concerned, if it was basically why farmers cannot, तेमी फार्मिंग कित्याक करपा जायना. नेवी आसलेले, नेवीन वाट लायली, मागरांतले फार्माचे नेवीन वाट लायली, रेल्वेन वाट लायल्या. That has to be rectified. If that is rectified, farmer जे आहे they can start farming again. And one thing that they have promised is they'll allow the farmers to continue with their farming, which I think is a good thing.
So as long as
in the present situation with water filled up, can they do farming? That's another question. So that water that is filled up has to be dried up. That is important.
There is a issue of a concern of the property owners along the periphery of the lake, that there will be restriction on the development in their properties. So what I suggested to the grievance committee to communicate or to recommend to the wetlands authority that they should look at classification of wetlands in Goa at least, because just like how we have in CRZ, they should have a classification of wetlands where urban wetlands are looked at differently and rural wetlands in pristine areas are looked at differently. Maimoleum Lake, mind you, there is already very dense population and dense development along the zone of influence and along the periphery. So you cannot, it cannot be a one size fits all, because the wetland rules are applicable to the whole of India.
आमचे शेतकार भाव आसले तांचे आशिल्ले की शेत भितर करपाक दिवचें म्हणून. That we have already clarified की वेटलँडान farming is allowed and that you all can do farming. ते हांवें सांगूना तांणी सांगलें, तांचे सगळे रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन्स तांणी सांगले. बेसिकली एक दोन तीनच इश्यू आशिल्ले. एक तर घरां आमकां फाल्यां बांदूंक मेळची, एक तर थंय फार्मींग थंय आमकां करपाक दिवचें, आनी हें करता आसतना सपोज थंय सिवरेज कोण सोडटा नाजाल्यार आनी कोण सोडटा जाल्यार तुमी ते सगळें इमिडिएटली स्टॉप करपाचें, हें करचें. सो हे सगळे हांवें म्हजेय ऑब्जेक्शनांनी घालां. जेन्ना म्हजो टर्न जातलो तेन्ना हांवूय उलयतलो. म्हाका सगळ्यांक एकूच एश्युरन्स करपा जाय, जशें हांवें सकाळीं सांगलां, की कोणाकूच दुखोवप नाजाल्यार कोणाकूच भायर मारून आमकां थंय वेटलँड करपाचें ना.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, जवाहर बर्वे आणि वैष्णवी साळगांवकार.